Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor Zoology, SPC GCA अजमेर। आज हम BSc पार्ट थर्ड में लीबिग्स लॉ ऑफ मिनिमम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। ऑल एनिमल्स ग्रो एंड डिवाइड, सभी जीव जंतु ग्रो करते हैं और डिवीजन उनमें होता है। जस्टिस वॉन लीबिग नामक साइंटिस्ट ने 1840 में लीबिग्स लॉ दिया, लीबिग्स लॉ ऑफ मिनिमम इसको नाम दिया। ही स्टडीड केमिकल्स इन सॉइल एंड देयर इफेक्ट्स ऑन प्लांट्स। उन्होंने मृदा में, मिट्टी में पाए जाने वाले केमिकल्स और उनका प्लांट की ग्रोथ पर इफेक्ट का उन्होंने स्टडी किया। ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स डिपेंड ऑन न्यूट्रिएंट्स। प्लांट्स की ग्रोथ मिट्टी में उपस्थित न्यूट्रिएंट्स पर डिपेंड करती है। Some nutrients are in low amount and others are in small amount. Nutrients in low amount are known as micronutrients and nutrients in large amount are known as macronutrients. Critical amount of nutrients are required for growth of plants and animals. Critical amount of nutrients are necessary for growth of plants and animals. For example, A, B and C are required and in P, Q and R amount. A, B और C जो है वो P, Q और R amount में required है. If A is in lower amount, अगर A बहुत low amount में उपलब्ध है, then P एक critical amount P से lower amount में उपलब्ध है, then it will have adverse effect on ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स। तो उसका प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स की ग्रोथ पर एडवर्स इफेक्ट होगा। इफ अमाउंट ऑफ बी एंड सी इंक्रीज्ड, इट विल नॉट बी अफेक्टेड। अगर दूसरे न्यूट्रिएंट्स बी और सी का अमाउंट इंक्रीज किया जाए तो उसका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा। इफ ए इंक्रीज इन स्मॉल अमाउंट, ग्रोथ विल बी अफेक्टेड। ग्रोथ इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द फैक्टर which is required in a small amount, act as limiting factor. For example, boron is required in low amount. Essential amino acids are also limiting factor. Essential amino acids are part of many structural and functional proteins. According to Blackman 1905, Taylor 1934 and Shelford 1952, they amended these rules. F. Blackman amended Liebig's law and included light, humidity, gases, light and temperature in limiting factors. Blackman studies photosynthesis and 5 factors controlling photosynthesis, that is carbon dioxide, water, solar radiation, amount of chlorophyll, temperature of chlorophyll. Which factor is present in critically low amount is limiting factor and will limit photosynthesis. If intensity of light increase, photosynthesis will also increase, but after one limit it will not be limiting factor. If carbon dioxide increase, photosynthesis will increase, but after one limit it will not be limiting factor. It is known as Liebig-Blackman's law. Now comes factor interaction and factor compensation. Factor compensation is if one factor is in low amount, then other factors will take its place. Factor interaction is with effect of one factor, amount of other factors increase or decrease. Calcium is important factor of shell of mollusk, but in some waters strontium is in higher amount. Animals use strontium in place of calcium. High concentration of one affect the use of other. Zinc amount is required for plants. In high amount of light, high amount of zinc is required. If low nitrogen is available, water need is increased. If nitrogen is sufficient, drought tolerance increases in plants. Taylor 1934 combination which is least favorable will act as limiting factor. The factors which are available in low amount Light intensity and zinc will act as limiting factor. Example, if temperature increases, tolerance for salinity decreases for estuary animals. Thank you.